Hey guys, and on today's video, I'm taking a look at YouTube right here on your Mac, so let's get started. So first of all, go into Safari. Or if you got Chrome, go into Chrome, but most of you just have Safari, so go on and open that up. If you don't find Safari down there, it's already installed on all Macs. So on the top right hand side of your screen, you're gonna see the Spotlight search. Just tap there and just type in Safari. Just open it up. Then from Google, just type in YouTube. Once you type in YouTube, go right into it. Then your very first option should say YouTube Home. Go ahead and click on that. And at this point, it should open up. So go ahead and check out YouTube. You guys can go ahead and play any videos that you like. And to play a video, for example, all you have to do is just click on it. So we're just gonna click on this one, for example. Just hit play and then we are good to go. So you guys can go ahead and watch that video. Go on explore YouTube. So that's how you guys can watch videos right here on your Mac. You do not need an app. And there's a bunch of things that you guys can do on your Mac which you do not need apps for. You guys can just access everything through Safari, which does include YouTube. But anyways, that's how you guys can watch videos right here on YouTube on your Mac. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.